Hey guys, Roman here with Dr. Demo. We're in North York in the Parkwoods area doing a selective roof demo with 2 brick walls and a rear wall removal for our good clients Helix Development. Let's come inside and we'll show you the scope. For this project, this is going to be a selective roof demo. We're going to leave the front portion of the house, and where the skylight is, we're going to leave that section where the chimney is going east, and 85% of this roof is going to be gone. Here we have the brick wall that's going to be coming out. We're going to make a nice flush cut with this chimney, keeping this full chimney intact all the way up to the roof line. Also on the other side, the back wall with the decking is going to fully come out with a metal beam with all the sliding windows. We're going to leave the joists on the decking since it's coming from the inside of the house and it's structurally sound. We're just gonna remove the deck boards. And on the other side of the house, we got an almost identical wall that's gonna be coming out. We have to make us we're gonna make a surgical cut. On this other side, identical situation. We're gonna make a nice flush surgical cut alongside of the bottom chimney part, all the way up to the roof. This all will be windows on the new house, so the contractor needs this wall to be cut out as well. So for the inside, once all the roof is gone, the walls are gone, the last step is to remove this metal beam, which spans across the whole back of the house. It's our day 2 at our North York project, and one tip for you guys when removing a shingled roof, when it's a single layer, always remove the shingles first, then you have a nice clean plywood slate which pops up easily and more efficiently, saves client money and makes our project more efficient. We're back at our North York project, phase 2. So for this phase, we're cutting 2 brick walls on each side of the house. This all back part of the house is going to be all full window glass. So the contractor needs this side and that side to be fully cut down all the way to the main floor. And let's come take a look what the boys have been up to. For this phase, we're using the Husqvarna K4000 cut and break dual blade saw, which helps us to cut as deep as 16 inches and make nice clean cuts in the brick walls of any sorts of type. That way it saves time and efficiency for all our projects. It's worth every dollar. Safety is our #1 priority, so when we're always setting up the scaffold, we don't mess around. We always have rail guards on the scaffolding. That way our guys can work safely and efficiently without having to worry about falling down, and it's worth every dollar. All right, the surgery is finished. Look at these nice surgical straight cuts we did in the wall on both sides. Contractor is going to be happy for his new windows installation and the new addition. Here at the back of the house, where this deck was, there was an existing metal beam where terrace is working. It was running all the way across. We had to take it down safely, carefully, cut it into 4 sections to make it easier for us to recycle the metal. So this project took us 6 days in total, 3 days for the selective roof demolition, nice surgical cuts. We set up the scaffolding, all safe. And second phase was the brick and wall demo. Also took us 3 days with full cleanup. And the boys and the team did a great job from start to finish. Contractor is happy, wife is happy. We'll see you guys on the next one.